Good morning to all. So, this is Selvakumar from SNSCT College of Technology and Department of Computer Engineering. So, now I'm going to tell about what is a C programming. So, C programming. So, the C program is a general purpose. It is a general purpose programming and language, and it is extremely popular, simple, and flexible, and machine learning, machine independent structured programming language, as well as C programming, and is used extensively in various applications. So C is a God's program language. It is a base for the another program language. So it is known. Therefore it is known as C. So it can easily grab the knowledge for the other programming, such that the use of the concept of C. So this is the history of C language. So first in history, the Hall International Group into the Hall Goal. So 1960. In 1967, Sir Martin Richards. 1967, Sir Martin Richards is the BCPL, and then is Ken Thompson's 1970, and it is a B. And then the 1972 it is a C language. It is a Dennis Ritchie. So next one K and RC. It is an ANSI committee, and the NSIS is 1989 is a standard committee, and ISROC is 1990 2011 it is standard committee. So this is the history of C languages. So in the history of C languages, we get the Dennis Ritchie is the main part of the C programming. Because of these, it was created from the ALGOL and the BCP and B program language. So C is a powerful programming language. It's strongly associated with the Unix operating system. So today, C runs under a variety of operating systems and hardware platforms. To assure that C language will remain standard. So American National Standards Institute ANSYS defined a commercial standard for a C language in 1989. So later it was approved by the International Standards Organizations ISO in 1990. And C program language is also called as ANSI C. So languages such as C++ and developed from the C, and languages widely used in various technologies. So key applications, where is he used? So widely used in embedded systems and used for developing system applications, and widely used for developing desktop applications, and most of the applications by Adobe, and used for developing browsers and their extensions and Google Chromes, and used to develop a database like MySQL, and developing an operating systems Apple OS X and Microsoft Windows and systems and Umbrella productions. So real world applications in operating system, in C programming, it is an operating system and embedded system and graphical user interface, and new programming platforms and Google's and Mozilla Firefox and compiler design and gaming animations. So real world applications like operating systems, it is an Unix later on Microsoft Windows, and various standard applications were scripted in C. Embedded systems like the C programming language is considered an optimum close. So when it comes to scripting applications and drivers of embedded systems, as it is closely related to machine hardware. And graphical user interfaces like GUI stands for graphical user interface, and Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere and Illustrator were created using C. New programming platforms like C++ and the concept of object-oriented programming, and various other programming languages like MATLAB and mathematics facilities, the faster computational programs, and Google's, and is a Google file systems and the Google Chromium browser were developed using CSE+, and the Google open source community has a large number of projects being handled using C++. Like next one MySQL and compiler design and gaming and animations. The gaming and animation is the most languages relatively faster than the Java or Python, and it is compiled based. It find several applications in the gaming sector. Some of the most simple games are good in C, such as Tag, Tag and Toe, and the Dino game, the Snake game, and many more engaging advanced versions of graphical and functions of demo. Doom 3 as a first person shooter game was designed by ID Software for Microsoft Windows using C in 2004. So why learn C? So it is a base language for many programming languages. So it share the same concepts such as data types, operators, controls, statements, and many more used widely in a variety of applications. So simple language and provide a faster execution structured programming language, so that it is a 32 keywords, various data types, and a set of built-in functions, and make programming very efficient. And also it can extend itself. So in C programming, it adds for features for functions to the library anytime bound to in our program. So make it simple while working with complex programming, and it can be languages, which means programs written in C language can run on other machines. How C works? So C is a compiled language. So a compiler is a special tool that compiles the program and convert into the object file, so which is machine readable. So after that, the compilation process, the linker will combine different objects files and creates a single executor file to run the program. And then it is in a following diagram shows the execution of C program. So we have to write a source code and a compiler code, and then it is into data link of object code. So this is how the C programs will work in real time. Thank you.